YouTube, I'm Lizzie and I am the Discount Vegan. I make budget-friendly recipes and teach you how to garden even in the smallest spaces so that you can save money on food and use that somewhere else or save it. So if you are on a tight budget or just really want to save more, this is the channel for you. So if that sounds good, click the subscribe button down below. Don't forget about the bell, of course, and that lets you know, of course, that I have new videos out. So what are we doing today? A really quick video. I'm going to show you how easy it is to prep TVP. This is TVP, textured vegetable protein. You might also hear it called textured vegan protein, which, yeah. But anyways, so this is what it is. I'm going to show you an up close of it dehydrated, and then I'm going to show you how easy it is to prepare it. Let's get going. Okay, so really simple. This is TVP. It's basically a dehydrated soy product, I do believe, and it's essentially like, well, like ground beef, essentially. It's ground meat, and that's actually what it's a substitute for. So this is what it looks like dehydrated, and I want to show you how to rehydrate it to use it in your recipes. It's super simple. So all you're gonna want to do is grab a bowl, a pot. I'm only doing 1 cup of TVP, so 1 cup of water. I just finished boiling it, so you just literally put it in your bowl. Super simple. And then you take 1 cup of your TVP. This is actually a half cup, so it's okay if you lose some extras, but 1 cup. Ooh, and that's all I had in this jar. There we go. So 1 cup of TVP to 1 cup of water, and literally all you're doing is just stirring it around to rehydrate it. Just like this. And notice how the water is completely dissipating and being absorbed into the TVP. And that's all you do. So as you can see, look at all that TVP. 1 little cup of dehydrated TVP, it makes a lot rehydrated. So what do you do from here? Well, use it in your recipes. Use it just like you would a ground meat. So you can do what I do, which I love to fry it up in a little bit of oil and then add either my seasonings or my sauces, or you can make burgers with it, believe it or not. There are so many things you can do with TVP. Why I show you this is because honestly, TVP, pound-wise, is actually cheaper than even tofu. And you know how much I love my tofu. So definitely check out TVP, and that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give a like down below, leave a comment. I would love to hear from you, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.